Okay, so I'm sorry this has taken so long. I tried to record this, and I had to switch computers again. So basically, I just have had a lot of tech issues this week, but it's fine. So today I am going to show you how to do research for a wedding task that I would like you to do. So first, you're just going to open up this Google Sheet, and so it'll show you here. Um, oop, it'll show you here what you need to research. Um, and so what you can do is go to one of these websites. Either one has local vendors. And so for this first one, you're going to search for a wedding planner because my wedding venue requires me that I have a wedding planner at least for the day of or the week of or the month of or whatever like that. And so you're going to do wedding planners and then you're going to put Cary, North Carolina, and it'll say Raleigh region here. And then, so you will see all of these different wedding planners here. And so for this, you want to go down and go to date of coordination because that's what I'm looking for. And then that should be fine. Okay. You could also probably select my wedding date just to be sure. So that's going to be May 4th, 2019. Okay, so then we have all of these wedding planners, and even though it says like all of these prices, that isn't necessarily like what the price that I'm looking for or that I need, like the price of the thing that I need. So you can go into here, and so you can see this here. And so you're going to go to view website. Oops. And so that'll pop up here. And so you're going to search for pricing on the website. And so, okay. Okay, so you're going to look for like day of coordination. It might say week or month of coordination. All of that is the same. I know that there are 3 different kinds of time, but they all basically mean the same thing. So you're going to look, and if there isn't any pricing, that's fine. Yeah, there's not going to be any pricing. So a lot of the websites don't have pricing. So you can copy this website here. And so this is Ivy League Affairs. And so for this, I just have you putting in not listed if you can't find it, the website, and the rating. So you're just gonna, sorry, that's my dog, put here 5. And then for notes, you can just put no pricing on website. Oh, sorry. So you can, hey bud. So you can scroll down. Sometimes there are prices if you scroll down, but it doesn't look like there are here. So again, you will just have to, oh gosh. So you'll just have to kind of go through. And so, for example, something like this where it says package price, that's not necessarily for the day of. So you can go and Toby, you can go and see. So this is all, it all says $3,000. And so this is all something completely different. And so you want to just like check on their website because all three of those things are not going to be the same price because they're all three different services. So that's not always accurate. So you can go to visit website again here and let's see some pricing. So let's see. So it's not looking like they have day of coordination like it says. Um, but you can see, so yeah, this doesn't even have day of coordination or month of or week of. So you can just totally skip that. And that's why, it's good to kind of check the website. All right, so I just need you to do that. Also, if you find the pricing is above $1,250 for day of, month of, week of, whatever coordination, you don't have to put them on here. So I'm looking specifically for people who are offering something in my price point. And so again, the reason why I'm not having you can do a search by price, but not all these prices that are listed are just for day of coordination. So anyway, I hope that can get you started on what I need you to do there. And then the other one that I need you to look at is hair and makeup. And so there's this sheet here. Oh, nope, that's not supposed to happen. Here, I'll have to change the link on that. So let me change the link real quick. So you can see here, you're gonna look for hair and makeup cost for me, and I don't really have like a I don't I don't really have like a price point specifically that I'm looking for hair and makeup wise. And I'll show you how it looks on the other website. You can use either one. So if you just go to local vendors up here, and so it'll be under either beauty, hair, makeup, something like that. And then you're gonna put in Cary, North Carolina. Okay, and so again, you would put within 25 miles, so that way I don't have to pay for them to like travel too far. And yeah, okay. So let's try this Head Turner Salon. So with this, all you're gonna do is go to the website, which is right here. You can copy their URL into and then put their website here. And while we're at it, you can put their rating, which is 5 stars. And so, services, you're going to go to weddings and you can find the pricing here. So here is bridal wedding day makeup. And I don't know what these 160 versus 80. I guess so. Just do your best. Okay, bridal wedding day makeup. I would just go ahead and put the more expensive price just so I can have that idea. So that was $160 for the makeup. And then for hair, and some of these places might not do hair and makeup both. Um, it looks like bridal hair is also 160. Oops, and I just exited that out. So sorry, I'm on a computer that I'm not used to clicking around on, clearly. Oh, okay. What did I just do? OMG. Okay, so, oh, I'm too far over. Like I said, I am not used to this. I'm using my fiance's weird laptop. Okay, so that's that. And so I just need you to find, let's do like 20 or so of these, and I can check them out. And then if I need you to do more, you can do more. For the wedding planner, if you can get at least like 10 that are in my price range, or 15 if you run into like a lot of not listed, that would be helpful. All right, thank you so much, and I'm sorry for all the dog barking and the delay. And you are awesome.